Bryce the Technical Wizard here, and this is going to be one of my more miscellaneous videos, but my area is under tornado warning. How awesome! Anyways, I'm going to switch the camera around and we'll look at it. It's currently not as bad as it was a minute ago before I got home. Right now it's just real heavy rain. You can see where it's flooded out there and whatnot, but after going to get my dad's medicine, we were on the way home and it just like starts pouring down to the point where you couldn't even see anything. And then the little announce thing where it says take shelter and whatnot, and then the sirens start going off and I'm like, oh crap. So we just stayed at a gas station for a minute in his little Chevy pickup, and then after it led up to this, we just got in and headed home. Woo! The town next to us lost power though. That's where we were at before this.
We're going really fast. I was just trying to get it on that big line.
My house currently has power still. As you can see, the Gateway E4200's hooked up. These two monitors are on sleep. Here's another angle. You can't see it very well, but there's flooding all over there and whatnot. Here's more of it over here. Look at that giant puddle. And there's mud puddle over there beside the fence near my neighbor's house. Okay everyone, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, and the tornado is gone, headed somewhere else, but there's about 30 power lines knocked down near the lake, and power's going to be out for a while, but that's nice. I figured I would video it all for you guys, but I hope y'all enjoyed this short video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing y'all later.